The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 10:15 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Turkey Point to near Wharton Point to near Middle River, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Pinehurst, North Point State Park, Fort Smallwood Park, Hart Miller Island, Chester River, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Towchester Beach, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Love Point, Gunpowder River, Baltimore Light, and 7-Foot Knoll. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland and the Little Choptank River, Patchington River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 10:15 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 9 nautical miles northwest of Brooms Island, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 60 knots and waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Hooper Island Light, St. Leonard Creek, Deep Hole, Solomon's Island, Cuckold Creek, Town Creek, Drum Point, Hongo River, Fishing Bay, Dares Beach, Flag Harbor, James Island, Calvert Cliffs, the Targets, Richland Point Buoy, Bivalve, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the official national